is gonna be a quick little video. Ooh, excuse me, drop my wig. This is gonna be a quick little video on how to clean your lace frontal slash reapplying it, because I do get a lot of questions on how to like clean it and where the glue is up, was applied. And I also get questions on how to reapply. So I'm just gonna do a quick little rundown on what I do. Okay guys, so as you can see, let me turn the camera around. So as you can see, it's just a little residue, not much, because I got the B on here, freeze spray, and I use boho glue on here. As you can see the difference, because there's gunk right there, the glue gunk as I would call it. So it's not really much on here, but I'm going to show you how to clean it, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let these wigs dry. Like I said, they're clean. I'm just gonna let them dry. And here's the other one, the full lace. That's 13 by 6 lace, and this is straight wig, and this is body wave. So this is kind of how it looks after I have washed it. So yeah. So I'm just gonna let these air dry and come back to you guys to show you how to apply it. So yeah. Okay y'all, so as y'all can see, I have applied the wig, and what I'm doing is just going in with my hot comb, and I'm just getting it to lay flat. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Just getting it to lay flat with my flat, not my flat iron, but with my hot comb. As y'all can see, I did put a band on so it could fit tight. So y'all see it's only lifting on the sides, right? So if I wanted to, I could just use my freeze spray and spray it into place, which I think I'm gonna do, and then just reapply it another day. with my boho. So yeah, you guys, I already have a video on how to apply it, but since I'm making a quick video, you could either use this or you could use this to lay your lace down. Those are the two things that I use to lay mine down, okay? And what you're gonna do with the freeze spray is like lightly apply and put your fingers down on it, and you're gonna get a which is a temporary hold for the got to be is a temporary hold, which boho is a permanent hold for about a week and a half too. So yeah, that's how that works. So you can either apply either or. So you guys, I'm not about to do nothing special to this wig. I just wanted to show y'all how to wash it really and clean it. Like I said, you can use got to be or boho to apply it, and as you can see, you know, you can lift it. Or if you want to put some sprints on it, you really can, because that's a temporary hold. You know, sprints is hard, it gets hard and it holds. So you can use that as well, and you will not detect the lace. So yeah, I don't really know how I'm about to put this on, so that's why I'm not going to show y'all on camera, because I don't know which one I'm going to use, you guys. But I will say you will need to, after washing it, you will need to flatten it out again each time, so it won't be so humpy. You can also go in with your, I'm sorry guys, you can also go in with your Nairobi foam wrap and just apply some, and you know that this flatten it out too as well, if that's, you know, what you're going for. So that flatten it out. So yeah, I'm just going in and make my part straight. As y'all can see, this is how it looks. So yeah, that's pretty much what you do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try to go into more detail when I have time, you guys. I've really been on a tight schedule with both of my businesses, my pole business and my wig business, and plus a new baby. So yeah, just trying to juggle it all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is really for my customers, really, and clients, you know, because I know they can refer back to this video on how to apply it on, because they also go home and then they need to reapply it. So yeah, you know, hopefully you guys can understand what I'm saying. If not, you know, you can comment below, you can email me. For those who have my number, you can text me or call me. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to clean and lay this lace down. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm running out of time, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.